Hi friends, in this video I'll show you how to create your own YouTube channel step by step. First, open YouTube and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, create a new Gmail account first. After signing, click your profile picture in the top right corner and select a channel. Click on it. Now, type your name. This can be your own name or a custom name for your brand. Add a profile picture that represent you or your brand. This make your channel looking professional. Click on customization channel. For here you can add a channel description, link, a banner, image. That's it, your YouTube channel is ready. Now you can start uploading video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple tutorial.